In this video, I will be revealing to you how to use black seed oil and also the benefits of using black seed oil. Make sure you watch until the end. If you are new here, consider subscribing to our channel so that you won't miss other interesting videos like this, and you will also be notified whenever we upload a new video. What is black seed oil? Nigella sativa is a small flowering shrub with purple or white tinged flowers that grows in Eastern Europe, the Middle East, and Western Asia. While it may look unsuspecting, the shrub produces fruits that have tiny black seeds. These black seeds have been used in remedies for thousands of years. Archaeologists even found black seeds in King Tut's tomb, emphasizing their importance in history for healing and protection. They are also used in cooking to add flavor to bread, curries, and pickles. When eaten, the seeds have a bitter flavor that's often compared to cumin or oregano. Some additional names for black seed oil include black caraway, black cumin, black onion seed, kalonji. The black seed oil has been shown to have antioxidant properties. These can help relieve inflammation inside the body and on the skin. Herbs and supplements are not monitored by the FDA. Research and use reputable brands. Health benefits of black seed oil. The black seed oil has shown promise in treating some of the most common health conditions, including high blood pressure and asthma. It also shows strong antifungal activity against Candida albicans, yeast that can overgrow in the body and lead to candidiasis. Examples of other black seed oil health benefits include 1. Reducing high blood pressure. Taking black cumin seed extract for 2 months has been shown to reduce high blood pressure in people whose blood pressure is mildly elevated. 2. Reducing high cholesterol. Taking black seed oil has been shown to reduce high cholesterol. It's high in healthy fatty acids that can help you maintain healthier cholesterol levels. Examples of these fatty acids include linoleic acids and oleic acid. The levels of the oils can vary depending on where the black seeds are grown. People may also see results when consuming the crushed seeds. 3. Improving rheumatoid arthritis symptoms. Taking oral black seed oil may help to reduce inflammatory rheumatoid arthritis symptoms. 4. Decreasing asthma symptoms. The anti-inflammatory effects of black seed oil may extend to improving asthma symptoms. Its effect in reducing inflammation in the airways may also help with bronchitis symptoms. 5. Reducing stomach upset. Eating black seeds or taking black seed oil is associated with relieving stomach pain and cramps. The oil can help to reduce gas, stomach bloating, and the incidence of ulcers as well. Black seed oil is also thought to have anti-cancer properties. It may help fight against skin cancers when applied topically. Portions of black seed oil known as thymoquinone and other seed potions were able to reduce the growth of tumors in lab rats. The oil also may help to reduce the tissue-damaging effects of radiation that is used to kill cancer cells. But these results haven't been studied in humans. Black seed oil shouldn't be used as a substitute for conventional cancer treatments. Black seed oil beauty benefits. The black seed oil has several applications and benefits for problematic skin conditions. The oil is found in many health food stores and pharmacies. Examples of applications for beauty and skin include 1. Acne. According to the Journal of Dermatology and Dermatologic Surgery, applying a lotion prepared with 10% black seed oil significantly reduced the incidence of acne after 2 months. Those who participated in the study reported 67% satisfaction. 2. Hydrating hair. Black seed oil can be applied to human hair to soften it and promote shine. 3. Psoriasis. Applying black seed oil has been shown to reduce the incidence of psoriasis plaques. 4. Softening skin. The black seed oil has been added to oils and moisturizers to improve skin moisture and hydration. 5. Wound healing. The application of black seed oil has been shown to reduce inflammation and the presence of bacteria to aid in wound healing. While it doesn't seem to help grow new collagen fibers, it does stimulate other growth factors to help the body create new, healthy skin. Remember, black seed oil shouldn't replace prescription treatments that a doctor may give you. But it does have some beauty benefits that can work in addition to these treatments to enhance your skin. How to use black seed oil. As a supplement, black seed oil can be ingested in pill or liquid form. The oil can also be used topically on skin and hair. If buying the liquid form of black seed oil, it's recommended to choose a high-quality product that doesn't have any added ingredients. Furthermore, as supplements aren't tested for their safety and effectiveness by the Food and Drug Administration (FDA), it's important to choose a reputable brand. It can help to look for products that have been certified by Consumer Labs, the U.S. Pharmacopeal Convention, or NSF International, all of which test for quality. The black seed oil has a strong flavor that's slightly bitter and spicy. It's often compared to cumin or oregano. As a result, if consuming black seed oil as a liquid, you may want to mix it with another strongly flavored ingredient, such as honey or lemon juice. For topical uses, black seed oil can be massaged onto the skin. Black seed oil can be consumed in either capsule or liquid form. However, due to its strong flavor, you may want to mix the oil with honey or lemon juice before ingesting. Dosage recommendations. While black seed oil may have some benefits for health, it doesn't replace any current medications that you may already be taking. Additionally, there's currently insufficient evidence to establish a recommended dosage. As a result, it's important to talk with your healthcare provider before using black seed oil. Depending on the intended use, black seed oil amounts that have been studied vary greatly. For example, in people with asthma, taking 1 mg of black seed oil capsules daily for 4 months was found to be safe and effective as a supplementary treatment. On the other hand, in weight loss and reducing blood sugar levels, studies have shown higher doses of 2 to 3 grams of black seed oil per day for 8 to 12 weeks to be most effective. As the dosage can vary by use, it's recommended to first talk with your healthcare provider for personalized dosing recommendations. Due to insufficient research, there's currently no established recommended dose of black seed oil. It's important to talk with your healthcare provider for personalized dosing recommendations. Black seed oil is a common supplement used in alternative medicine to help treat a variety of conditions. Current research suggests black seed oil may be effective in the treatment of asthma, aid in weight loss efforts, and help lower blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Furthermore, the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects of thymoquinone in black seed oil may be protective of brain health and slow the growth of cancer cells. Still, more research is needed to determine the long-term safety and effectiveness of black seed oil. Before trying black seed oil, make sure to make an appointment with your healthcare provider to determine if and how much black seed oil to take. What do you think about the tips listed in this video? If you have more recommendations, join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below and let us know what you think, and also hit the subscribe button never to miss any updates from us. More amazing secrets and tips will keep coming. Join us on the healthy side of life. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we have hand-picked for you to enjoy next. Stay healthy.